he had just confirmed to you that he had jurisdiction. So you know he's a lawful law enforcement officer. He's just confirmed with you that he had jurisdiction. And then he tells you to leave, and you ignore him, correct?
Objection, asked and answered.
I did not leave.
Okay. And then you saw him gesture to these two men to remove you, correct?
Someone gesture.
Correct. Now, are you fully aware of all of the powers the sheriff has?
I am not, I don't have firsthand knowledge of all of the powers of the sheriff, no.
And are you aware that he's charged with stopping breaches of peace?
I'm fully aware, no.
Are you aware that he has the authority to command other individuals to assist him?
Objection, Judge, she's answered this question. She's not aware of the powers of the sheriff.
Were you aware that he has the power to command citizens to assist him?
I do not know of that responsibility.
Now, you would agree, though, that despite you not knowing those rules or those powers of the sheriff, they still apply to you, right?
Could you repeat that?
Despite you not knowing those rules, not understanding all the sheriff's powers, they still apply to you, right?
Sure, the law applies to me, yes.
Regardless of whether you know it exists, correct? So, regardless of the fact that you didn't know he had the authority, you didn't know he could command others, you had a mistaken idea about his jurisdiction.
Objection is the point of that question.
I'll move on, Judge, it's okay. Now, let's get back to the rules of the decorum. You would equally agree that despite you coming in late and not having heard the rules of decorum, that they would still apply to you, correct?
Could you repeat the question?
You came in late, so you didn't hear the rules of decorum stated at the beginning of the meeting, correct?
Correct.
But those rules and decorum would still apply to you as an audience member, even though you didn't hear them said, correct?
I don't believe so.
So you think that anybody who truckles in late to a town hall, then the rules don't apply to them because they showed up late? They only apply to the 450 other people that showed up on time?
No, that's not what
Okay, so they would apply to you despite you showing up late, right?
I believe that, well, because I didn't hear the instructions, I'm dependent on other people in the room and the way that the meeting is being handled. And so that's what I would then react to if I didn't
Okay.
hear that there was a rules of decorum.
Fair. So when the MC told you they had to stop, why did you react? Why didn't you listen then?
The MC directed attention and said, everyone pay attention to the little girl.
Previously, before that, though, while you were present, it was in the video, there's other heckles that go on, and he tells everybody to stop heckling, correct?
I did see that in the video, yes.
So, at some point, you just made the decision to not listen to what you were being told to stop heckling.
Objection, argumentative.
Could you repeat the question?
At some point, you just decided you weren't going to listen when you were being told to stop heckling.
I think I mirrored behavior of those around me.